IFM News. IFM News. IFM News. Lokal.
Dakkel apakaidayawan nino makapasa itibay sa board taker iti examination ngem kasano nga rod no may sakapay atap nature. Agramrambak iti agdama dagiti mga matmaton ti Mariano Marcos State University College of Health Sciences Department of Pharmacy kalpasan ang nagbalin na top notchers dagiti inem aboard takers da. Kunada ang makapasag gardot-dot iti napasamak kaput na kalpasan iti sa nga 18 atawen ang panag-top notcher da kaya itatamanin iti panag-top notchers da.
True that the last time we had a top notcher or the department produced a top notcher was 2008, and kahit nasa NDT, kahit continuously ngaging improvement iti mi nga education kadigiti estudyante mi. And this is reflected in our board exam performance kasi for the last for more than a decade now, we've been consistently part of the top performing school, and this year third consecutive year na po na top 1 performing pharmacy school ang MMSU Pharmacy, at naiiba siya ngayon dahil with 6 top notchers. So nabayag man nga haan kami nakapag-produce si top notcher, pero nakapag-produce kami not just 1 but 6 top notchers out of the 10 spot, and it reflects the dedication also of the whole university, especially the administrators, the effort and dedication of the faculty members, of course, and of course, the hard work of the students, their parents, and of course, the preparation me, the prepare me, kanyada, sir.
Mainaig iti daytoy ket maragsakan ang nagyaman ti Dean ti College of Health Sciences ket kunana adakkel baton lagib daytoy ana pasama kadakwada imbatad na ana pintas launa iti panangiturong digiti faculty and staff ti Department of Pharmacy kadagiti board takers iti napimpintas sa dalan tapno rikasta ket magun-ud dagitoy apang madayaw.
Ang goal namin ngayong taon na ito is still to retain our top 1 performing school recognition, as well as to produce top nurturers. So maybe in the future, moving forward, ang i-goal naman namin ay to retain our top performing school, as well as to produce top nurturers, and possibly, kung kakayanin naman sa awa ng Diyos, we will have that 100% institutional passing rate. Kasi yun na yung pinaka masaya para sa aming lahat, na lahat ng aming mga graduates ay pumasa sa board exam.
Kabayatan na aminado daan narigat daytoy gaputa makaited ti pressure kadakwada tapno agdali na ed ti kinatap na da si susuportamet ti administrasyon ti Mariano Marcos State University kadagiti agtake ti board exams. Para iti IFM News, Idol Lawrence Martinez, Tatak, IFM.
IFM News. IFM News. IFM News. Lokal.